Flashpoint Zulu.
akavuga Flashpoint Zulu.
Welcome back.
Urakaza neza Zulu.
Grover will do anything he can to save her. That's
Aturiya musore Grover yakora ibyo ashoboye byose yarebe ko atabara mushiki we.
exactly why we can't trust
Ni
him.
nayo mpamvu imwe itatuma tumwizera. Twabonye umukobwa ahinduka Mary nawe ahinduka zombie. Mugeze tugaruka hakuno.
My battery is almost out, so
Ati mu battery ngiye gushira muriro.
I'm making this message for
Ndimo nashaka gufata ubutumwa.
Mom and Papa and
Mbufatiye mama na papa. Wa mukobwa utwite
and Nini.
hamwe na Nini.
If you find this first, what you always do.
Ati ndabizi ko ni umuntu umutumwa cyambere mugomba gukora.
It's been 2 days.
Ati aciye iminsi ibiri.
We're still trapped in the school.
Ati twese twarafungiranywe mu kigo.
There's no sign of help.
Nta kimenyetso na kimwe cy'ubufasha buvuye hanze.
We don't know who's out there. We haven't made
Ntabwo tuzi hano hanze niba hari inde.
contact with anyone yet.
Nta n'umuntu turakominikana nawe.
We're doing our best, but
Turimo turakora uko dushoboye.
I don't know how long we can last.
Ntabwo tuzi birafata igihe kingana iki.
Dad,
Papa,
I wish we spent more time together.
ndakifuje kuba namana n'ikindi gihe nawe turi kumwe twishimye.
Some of that was on me.
Ati we yakabaye ngiye nkwishimiye.
Mom,
Hamwe na mama twishimanye.
what can I say?
Ese navuga iki kindi?
Guess I'm just a disappointment.
Usibye ko nabereye igihombo. Rangije.
Failed diet,
Ati kurya byarananiye.
first election loss,
Nabaye no gutsindwa amatora.
first teen pregnancy.
Nijye mwana utwaye na n'uruhinja. Fata ka video.
I just thought you should know.
Ngose numvaga mwakwiye kubimenya. Nuko twitanye episode ya 4 by Se Freakish. Nakubwira cyane da premiere for real. Gatinze. Hakuno sasa buriya muri isera nabazi kwiyakira nubwo benshi bavuga ko batuzuye. Nudo n'umundi arabizi ko atari busohoke yifatira baro ya basket zakuno.
Are you insane?
Hasi mwana wasaze.
Crazy, man.
Mane abo ndimo nasara birenze.
Just need normal.
Nawe nyene rwose kumera neza.
You shooting bricks. Look pretty normal.
Uri majunya amatafari.
Really?
Niko bikeka se.
Come on, one time.
Ngwero dukina ka basket barankwemeza.
I'm about to break your ankles.
Bina mwana nkosore. Fata kuno baro.
You'll never beat me
Kana namusije nsinda bro.
ever in your life.
Buzima bwawe bwose nigeze nsinda. Ndani muri pani. Sasa uyu nawe hakuno. Ni wa musore Grover Jones ko yakaje. Aho yasize mushike Mary. Ageze ayaciye kare ibyo bari bamwambiriyeho. Naryo nirabo kumbe mushikiwe. Ndamwataka. Saza na filme. Mary ataka Grover. Tayari. Baraga sereka turale. Chaka kumuruma. Dai na musaza we. Gicupa ku mutwe. Danyabyo. Muteri shoti. Agwa hanze icyumba. Arangije guma mukumbi ndana amusaza musora muri sare. Reba filme. Dore waramunaga muri sare. Mushiki warangije. Mary.
It's me. It's
Nijawe ni Grover.
It's your brother.
Ni musaza wawe.
Mary, please.
Mary ndakwinginze. Akiraho yumva bandi. Saza umusara musoye mukumba, amushira hanze yakumba. Mushiki aratangira. Mwana nyagasani. Arakurikira. Abebere muri basket. Utamporiza amasaha. Ayara depose. Mayuga abantu batangiye. Mwana tubonane mwisa.
Gotta go check on Zoe.
Mwana ngiye kuri basheri wanje Zoe.
Well, it's not good enough for you.
Urwo rukundo murimo namwe muracyuje. Kumbe. Uyu ni kibari marashaka mushiki we. Urebe. Komeza hakuno. Kumbe.
Shit.
Bullets.
Grover.
Ka Violet.
I thought you were that.
Nari skuri hakurya.
What was that?
Cyo numvise cyari giki.
It was Mary.
Yari Mary.
She's turned.
Mary yahindutse. We nakuno nguri berekeza.
Seconds left in the game.
Maniga na hakuno. Ari kuma rebound. Ari marivugisha.
For the title. Can it be?
Tayari basket byaranze. Banigaje gutampurezana amasaha. Ntago bivamo. Tayari. Yitonze. Akuramo inkweto. Tayari. bumbedo kumbe hano harushaka kugipolizo Mary. Hey,
Everyone grab a weapon.
sasa ni bwatinze mari garaje bose atabwira uko byagenze buri umwe atanya gufata intwaro.
Right up 2 flights down.
None se babiri barajya abandi bajya hasi.
She could be anywhere.
Yaba ari ahantu ari hose. Fatanu mushosha.
All right, well, that's 7. We're missing one.
Aye turi barindwi ara umuntu umubura.
Noodle.
Uwo ni Nudo ari muri gym.
Yeah, go.
Kana gabizi.
Never mind.
Zoe mukurikirane.
Natalie,
Dizo Natalie
second floor.
kuri floor ya kabiri.
Come on.
Tugende. Natalie no undi twite.
Mary!
Mary.
Mary, everything is gonna be okay.
Rwose Mary humura ibintu byose biragenda neza. Aba hakuno
I can't do this.
ntago nabikora Natalie.
I have a baby in here. I'm like a
Mfite umwana unda rwose nawe nakomeza kugenda natararya.
So why was it a mistake?
Aze ko bijya gutwita byaragutunguye. Tuza rero.
Baby, you said it was a mistake, right?
Wambwiye ko gutwita byabaye kubyara ikosa.
What's the mistake?
Ese kubyara umwana ni ikosa.
So was the guy.
Aho ni ndaguteye inda.
Does it matter?
Sibyo birakureba wowe.
No?
Cyangwa ntago umuzi.
No.
Oya.
I'm total slut. Yes.
Hano nanyita ko niwamira abakobwa bigurisha.
Of course I know.
Kuko nanjye ndabizi ko ni nusi ndumu Atira ndo nabizi ni umunyabuntu nta muntu nahereza rwose.
This model UN in Philly. I was down
Ati
there.
rwose twahuriye muri Philadelphia akora muri UN.
So what do you say about the baby?
None se umugabo yavuze iki ku mwana utwite.
He doesn't know.
Ntago abizi ko ntwite.
You didn't even tell him?
Ntago wamubwiye.
Going with this.
Ibyo se wabimbariza iki? Kumbe kimufunyana mu cyumba. Mugenzi cya Dizo nubwo ari urusazi. Ugira umutima mwiza. Ntambara gufite zijya guhiga zombi guma maho.
Can't do this.
Ntago wabishobora guma maho indani. Kiramufungirana. Ntago umutekano wizeye gumamo indani. Yetonze.
Looks clear.
Hano nta kibazo arasa neza.
You can't trust Grover.
Hewe ntago Grover umuntu yamwizera. Ntago yamwizera ukundi.
He cares too much.
Yewe yita ku bantu cyane uriya musore.
Isn't that why we should trust him?
Ariko ntago yari mpamvu yatuma tutamwizera.
Don't go bleeding hard on me.
Nawe wibizanamo amasantima 1.
You don't know me.
Ayo manzi utananzi wowe.
I know enough.
Ibyo nzi birahagije kuri wowe.
Don't worry.
Hano by'ikibazo.
Saints.
Kuko twese ntago turi abatagatifu.
And what is that supposed to mean?
None ushatse kuvuga iki? Bagiraho.
Okay.
Uretse
Stay close.
umimanda yanjye.
Who's saving who?
Ninde utabara undi sura ntabara nagutabara.
Whom?
Habwo ninde utabara.
Saving whom?
Ninde utabara. Ande bitabara. Hey! Dani. Sinzi. Bravo.
Sorry, I didn't know it was you guys.
Baba nako nasikari mwebwe.
Any sign of her?
Babara wamubonye.
No.
Wapi?
Cafeteria is clear.
Cafeteria nta kintu kiriyo.
I'll take this floor.
Saka nche kunye kufata iyi floor. Nago turajya hejuru ku mesikariye. Sasa hakunino. Zizana maniga na Zoe.
Are you insane? Shut
Wewe ucecekare.
There's 2 of us. We have an advantage.
Dushaka advantage nitwa babiri. No, what's ucecekare?
handing out menus.
Look, you gotta relax.
Asa watuje mada.
Okay?
That was not nothing.
Ndio mwana angaje.
Zoe.
Zoe.
We don't have time.
Naje dufite.
You got this.
Kati ko bakukoranyumva.
Come on, grab my hand.
Samfata ikiganza humura. Tugende. Arangije. Yitonze. Kugera aha. Hano bavuye muri gym aho bambarira. Gumano. Babona. Ingofero ya maniga hasi. Babona. Hano ibiganza amaraso. Bisa nkaho hano kaloka kacitse ko bafubikamo imyenda muri make maniga komeza imbere. Sean Sharaciya he uyu nawe nuko kwakomeza sinzi ariko kome kureba neza Mary ari kuri kanudo bipfuye abihubujemo aiwe narangije Mary nawe afite amaraso ashusha ni mu rugo yonyo Mary hoya Mary ahindutse Shani sheri mana we hamagara Shani manigace hey Shani mana we tangira zamuka hakuno kuri bwa loka hejuru suri ku mukobwa nasangwa na bara parika nawe hakuno mana we rangije kwambukiranya vuba data we barakubitana ndakubitana vuze bigenze biti bari hangariya nodo yabuze mfite magara Shani tugomba tugenda bazobe baratangira bakirara bambara sasa Shani surika ku ruhande ushiraza tigana cyambati kiwe natangira genda kujya hapa natambuka bafunga bamufungira ndani adasi nta kindi cyabaye bakina biroko kureba ko bava ngaho sasa hakuno maniga nawe hachingai sasa
What exactly do you know about me?
asu niki unziho gifatika
I'd like to die with a clean conscience.
ati nkunda gupfa rwose mfite roho ituje.
Good luck with that.
Sawa, felicitation.
Files about us.
Twese dufite files tuvugaho.
Files?
Warebye ibyandiko byanjye se? Uko bakaje na Shani? Tata we.
Yo, she get you anywhere.
Ntabwo yakomerekeje wowe yasimbizi.
You haven't yet need.
Reba nawe nakurumye wowe yasimbizi. Nodo. Shibuka mu nshuti. Nshuti yanjye mani yo. Oyapfuje inshuti magara.
Please stop talking. Will you just tell me what you...
Teka wivuga byinshi.
We've all done things we shouldn't.
Mba twese twakoze ibyo tugomba gukora.
Sometimes they should land us in jail.
Biba byagubana dufunga.
Jail.
Lucky you, thief.
Ntabwo uri umunyamaga uri umujura.
You found out it's not what you think.
Ibyo avumbuye ntabwo aribyo ukeka sibyo.
You feel guilty.
Uri kumva nawe wishinja icyaha se.
I get that.
Ibyo ndabyumva.
Your nagging conscience is embedded deep in your brain and your
Ibyo kwihagarara bigume ndani muri wowe ubundi urumva utuze.
love of God.
Asigaye urukundo rw'Imana. Avayo maniga. Sazu yaje yababaye.
Mary is Celeste, we tried.
Umva twagerageje Maria tukamufunya ariko ndo yapfuye.
I think the gym lockers 3 minutes ago.
Minota teciyo tumfanya muri gym locker.
Shit, where's Grover?
Nawe se Grover ari musaza we. Kombe do musaza w'umukobwa. Kugera aha. Mary. Sasu yu. Nagazwe mu cyata kiri mushikiwe. Yabaye ikindi. Nagasi gisongo. Tayari maniga aratangira. Mutisho zakabeje. Tayari. Fatiraho. Maniga za yirukanka. Amufata wande kura. Rangije. Manuka mo hakuri ndani hasi. Yitonze. Rangije. Munaga mindani. Maniga arasoka mufunyana mindani. Tayari. Kiraka gufuri. Okugira abandi bashire mufunyana habwe nyine. This Grover ahamagara nabandi.
Let's consider the calculus.
Calculus?
Asubira yirangira biti.
That thing killed a noodle.
Kiriya kintu kishe Noodle.
Ripped him up and it drank his blood. It has
Rwose yamukwema ibyo mu nda ni maramunga
to
maraso.
die.
Nazo zigomba gupfa.
Do it. Move.
Ndabikora kaza muhitane. Uretse
Not killing her.
ntago akwica mushiki wanjye.
That is my sister in there.
Uyu ni mushiki wanjye bari ndani. Icyo kintu
It killed my best friend.
inshuti yanjye magara.
Thing is Mary
Iki
Jones.
cyo wita ikintu ni Mary Jones. Ni mushiki wanjye.
She loves Harry Potter
Akunda Harry Potter.
and she's afraid of heights. And
Atinya
I
n'ahantu harehare.
swear to you, she's still in there somewhere.
Ndabizi ko indani muri aracyari mu mushiki wanjye.
Bro, look at her.
maze umurebe
Suffer.
mushiki arimo arababara
If for all we know, she could get better, right?
ariko twese turabizi ashobora kuba yakira
They all could get better.
I'm not
nabize n'abandi
about to
bakira
find out.
ariko ntabwo turamenya umuti
Grover has a point. We know
Grover afite ingingo
very little about this disease.
iyi ndwara nta kintu tuyiziho gihambaye
If we keep this thing alive,
ikintu tukikomeje ari kizima
we can learn how to defend ourselves.
byatuma tumenya uburyo ki twakwirinda
Don't listen to him.
data nimwumva ibyo avuga
Okay, yeah, sure, kill it. You know
Sawa
what?
cyica
Let's find another one later.
ntego undi atari buhinduka
Hard can that be?
turebe ko biri bumere
You lied to us again.
wongewe kutubeshya
I'm gonna kill you both.
ndabica mwembi bwa mbere yabeshye kari ufite kamera yakumva yarwanaga no kuvura mushiki we kumbe dore hanze ikirere cyahindutse sasa maniga dore ngaraza akicara hakuno nakwiheba n'iki mushiki we mugenzi umwe rutoki babanaga ari ebyiri nawe yahindutse ntabwo byoroshye byagenda yibuka akiri muzima mugenzi ari umukobwa muto mwiza ariko aho iminsi ibera imitindi cyane ko n'ibyago bidateguza bisanze mu kigo hanze hangiritse nako ntabyo nsubiramo ntacyo mutazi kavayo leta mugenzi nako kavayo yewe
How you holding up?
yewe murabyitwaramo
I've been better.
yewe nari imbere neza tukurushaho ibintu byose ni amakosa yanjye
Trust me,
nyizera
it's not.
ntago ari amakosa yawe
I couldn't protect her.
byananiye kuba narinda mushiki wanjye
Stop beating yourself up.
ati wikwibabaza unishinja amakosa
You did everything you could.
nawe wakoze ibyo warushoboye nk'umuntu
Do you really believe that?
ese wowe ko urabyizera nakoze ibyo nari nshoboye nkanjye nk'umuntu
Yeah.
cyane warwanya intambara yawe warushoboye ariko mu rugamba ariko bimera
Do you think she'll ever come back?
ese urakeka azagaruka basi azongera agasubira ibuntu denze ko umuntu w'imbazo uramukomeza ntabwo wamuca intege umuha icyizere dobori byakunda kumbe wa musore wawe urora ku cyombo gainasi yaje hakuna ari wenyine wibuka uyu musore nawe yari ku cyombo hari abandi bavugana nawe tutazi ni bande rangije sana hakuno bya bindi bitwika ndagocoma hey haciye ingahe
Flashpoint Zulu.
aza hakuno flashpoint
Who
zuru
are you talking to?
yewe urimo avugana nande yamusanze atangiye kuvugira ku cyombo yewe
Myself.
ndimo ndivugisha
Lose my mind.
numva nangiye gucanganyirwa no gushyira mu mutwe
I came in here to say thanks.
nari nje gushimira
You did the right thing, keeping her alive.
ati rwose wafashe umwanzuro muzima wanakoze ikintu cyiza cyo kuguma uriya mukobwa ari muzima kumugumisha ari muzima
You mean the most useful thing. And
waravuga ko nakoze ikintu cy'ingenzi
you're not here to thank me.
ndabizi ntabwo uje no kunshimira
It's amazing what you can learn with a few hours of static and an
ati biratunguranye ukuntu wiyumvaga mu masaha ashize none ukaba utangiye gucisha make utangiye no kumenya gushima
nothing but student files.
kubera ko nakubwiye ko nasomye ku byandiko bya byahise hari usanga mu kigo cy'ishuri bafite files z'umuntu avuga ati uyu muntu yitwara gutya aritonda n'umuhanga ankura umogi ibintu nk'ibyo files zawe zose saza bagasoma file niyo mpamvu gafite ubwoba kaje kumwivugishaho do akira
So I stole. Big whoop.
warabyibye
Chemicals.
ibintu bya shimi by'ibikemikozi ugenda uvanga
Kind you make soap and candles with.
usanga wamenya kuba wakora amasabune za buje
Rust and aluminum powder.
uramutse ufashe umugesi ukavanga na aluminium powder
For ceramics.
ibyo twabikoraga ari nko kwiga
It was a glaze.
byari ibintu byoroheje
Very combustible glaze.
ariko ushaka kuba byabyara ikindi kintu kibi cyane
Burns right through metal. What type
ariko ibintu gukora bishaka kuba byatwika na ferabeto
of art are you doing?
ariko se ubundi bintu by'ubuhanga wakoraga by'ubugeni bya art byari biki
May I take a stab? I think you used the chemicals to make a thermite bomb.
ariko bisa nkaho wafashe produit chimique ugakora thermite bomb igisasu cy'ubwoko bwa thermite
Doesn't prove anything.
none ibyo aricyo bigaragaza
Not on its own.
ni ibisanzwe.
However, only a few days after you stole the chemicals,
Ariko cyane ko mu minsi zari chemicals wibye muri laboratory.
there's a catastrophic fire at the chemical plant.
Ibyo nyeka yuko byarabyaye ibara kuri chemical plant.
Quite the coincidence.
Nde biri kunira amatsiko.
And what are you suggesting?
None uratekereza iki? Urapanga iki?
Nothing.
Ntacyo.
Only that you might have been responsible for the entire disaster.
Bisa nkaho ibi byose byabaye ari hano kugira ngo hake hari igisasu kiri chemical wari murakora.
Bite me.
Sawa no gira icyo bikora ndebe.
Sister Bear, maybe one day you'll tell me yours.
Sawa komeza ariko ndace ku munsi umwari cyuzambwira gifatika.
You trick me.
Yeah, what should I have done?
You could.
Yewe ntuzongere kumbeshya ubutaha. Wibuka yamuvunyaye mu cyumba natari.
Hey, there's a freak on the loose, and I'm doing this for your own good.
Yewe ntukambeshye ngo ibintu nabikora bw'inyungu zanjye ariko nabizi ko ari inyungu zawe.
Yeah, okay, like that would have worked.
Ako ndabyagenze neza. Wibuka yagiye amufunyana natari mu cyumba.
Don't.
Nawe ugiye kuryama se? Atabwo ntana nkangura.
Well, for me, a bed needs to be made.
Yeah, but you got to pull up the blanket.
Ategomba gufata ikintu cya waryo wirosa kujya ugisasa. Icyamane gamugeze ni cya Dizo. Ni yabitindaho hari iryamire. Yitonze. Sasu you nawe. Bwatinze. Arabona mushiki we arimo araca mu buribwe bw'ikirenga. Ageze gutya abona bya binazi bitwika. Tena kumwe na bomboni. Gashike. Rangije. Menya ko byanga byakunda. Hari uwaje gutwika mushiki warangije. Avaye n'uburakari. Ziza na Zaza Grover.
What did you do to her?
Wakora bichi mushiki wanjye.
Right now, what you've done.
Bwira ibyo akoze mushiki wanjye. Hani mwiserera.
He's torturing my sister.
Arimo arabaza mushiki wanjye.
Okay, I am studying her.
Yimo ndabwigaho.
Lie to me.
Wibeshya.
her.
Uri wari muramutwika.
Burnt her? It was just a test.
Niba naramutwikira ni mura testing nari murasuzuma.
It turns out I was right.
Kandi nibyo navumbuye byari byo.
They're afraid of fire.
Ziriya zombies zitinya umuriro.
So now we have a weapon against freaks.
Bivuze ngo dufite intwaro yatuma duhangana na ziriya zombies. Wamusenze we. Mwiserera bro.
Your sister alive.
Mushiki aracyari muzima.
So we could survive.
Kugira ngo dukomeze tube bazima.
Show of hands. Who thinks I'm doing the right thing?
Ngaho basi nani mwana akora bizima tumanike ibiganza tubitorere.
Doing the right thing would have been killing her.
Mana njya gucyo numva cyabakizima no kumuhitana bro yari inshuti yanjye maniga. Baramanika. Abumba yuko bakomeza bakamukora ubushakashatsi bakamwigaho. Namwe mutore. Violate wagaza kuri ruhande. Urabitorera cyangwa?
What are you waiting for?
Tegereje ikisi. Yabizanamo santima.
Violet, she's still my sister.
Nubu ndarse Violate atari mushiki wanjye.
Being.
Aracyari kiremwa muntu.
That's the greatest good for the greatest number.
Fata umwanzuro muzima mwiza kubw'umubare nyamwinshi.
What is most useful?
Kandi nicyo kintu cy'ingenzi.
Violet.
Violate.
I can't do this.
Ntabwo nabikora.
We all have our crosses to bear.
Twese dufite imirongo tujya turenga ariko kubw'inyungu zacu. Violate.
Raise your hand.
Zamura ikiganza dukomeze tumwigeho. Violate. Nafata umwanzuro. Seka tubere sampa nk'iyo muri laboratoire. Mabare Grover. Tubukore ubushakashatsi. Turebe icyavana izi zombi niki. Maniga yaje hakuno wumwe. Jens ka Violate kavayo. Muri refectoire aho bajya barira.
How could you side with that asshole?
Nigute wagiye kurande ruguriya musenzi.
Barrett has a point.
Barrett ariko ibyavugaga byari yari ingingo ifatika.
The more we know about how this disease works,
Uko dukomeza kumenya ko indwara imeze.
I don't understand.
Ntabwo tubyumva. Ntabwo nabisobanukiwe.
My sister's in a cage.
Mushiki wanjye afunyanyara muri cage.
What is she, some sort of animal?
Ese basi ni inyamaswa murabona yahindutse cyane.
Yesterday she was playing Tchaikovsky.
Ejo yari marakina rwose akari agacurangisho karimo aracuranga.
today she killed Noodle.
Ubwo nubwo yacurangaga ariko uyu munsi yishe Noodle mugenzi wacu. Nabyo ntugibagirwe. Ikirengagiza ibyo yakoze. Uzane santima ngo yacurangaga neza.
You have a brother.
Ese waba ufite musaza wawe?
What would you do for him?
Ese wamukorera iki? kiri mu mwanya wanjye.
He was so far gone to the point
Ati nawe yarengereye ameze kuri ameze nabi.
and I couldn't even recognize
Ku
him.
buryo nagera ku rwego rwo kureba isura yisi imenye ko ari we.
I don't know.
Sinzi icyo nakora.
You were me in that cage,
None si yaba ari gifunye nyuma hari
suffering.
ndimo ndababara nca mu buribwe.
I know what I'd want.
Nzi icyo ushaka. Yitonze. Arahaguruka maniga. Hakuno. Umukobwa ari Mary. Ziza na musaza we. Mugenzi. Zana igisongo. Rangije. Ashira ku ijosi. Ndabanza sankurira ya nyuma. Aho kugira ngo abandi baza kubigenderamo. Mbabarire Mary. Zamura. Ndakeka yaruka igenze. Abaje mwakoze kuzamana beho. Nimuze guti kuzikurikira. Aracyari Sankara da Premier wumva. Ndabakunda cyane cyane. Hasta la vista.